Hi everyone, we've just announced our 2026 planner lineup. In this video, we'll dive deep into the magnet daily layout and show you how to use it. The daily layout comes with one weekly page followed by 7 daily pages. We've kept most of our classic design with a few thoughtful updates. All of the grid lines are now darker for better visibility. The darkness of the grids remain the same as requested. Our classic horizontal weekly page remains unchanged, and on the daily pages, we extended the timeline to midnight instead of stopping at 10 p.m. We've also removed the month bubble in the top right corner to create a cleaner and more minimalistic look. On the weekly page, you'll see horizontal day boxes on the left-hand side, and this is perfect for checking in your weekly plans such as appointments, meetings, dates, just things that are pre-arranged and time-sensitive. Then there's a blank space on the right-hand side for your weekly focus. It can be grocery lists or anything you want to keep top mind of for that week. There are lots of ways to use the daily pages depending on your mood and needs that day. The timeline here runs down the left side of the page, so many people naturally split the page into 2 vertical sections. The left side works really well for time blocking your day, filling in meetings, appointments, and key tasks by the hour. But if you're not in a time slotting kind of mood, you can just use this column for your to-do list instead. And on the right, you've got a freeform space that's perfect for things like morning pages, journaling, daily reflection, or even notes and ideas. And you can also split this page horizontally. Top half for structured plans, bottom half for thoughts, gratitude, or doodles. It's all about finding a rhythm that works for you. The Daily Planner is a comprehensive planner designed for disciplined achievers who thrive with one full page per day. It gives you the space to map out your schedule, track your to-dos, and reflect all in one place, and one day at a time.